Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sandeep Golla, MD Dermatologist, currently practicing at Sanvi's Laser Skin and Hair Clinic, Road number 1, Banjara Hills. Today I am going to brief, explain and demonstrate laser hair reduction. There are so many myths about laser hair reduction. So is it equivalent to hair removal? Is it equivalent to epilation? Is it equivalent to waxing or threading? No, it's not equivalent to waxing or threading or epilation or trimming sessions. It's where we use 808 nanometer specific wavelength of specified approved laser which will penetrate deep into the skin and burn the root. So if there are no hormonal issues, we can guess 6 to 8 sessions in a span of 1 to 2 years for complete hair reduction. I am specifying its complete hair reduction where we can convert thick visible hair to thin baby hair, that is terminal hair to villous hair permanently. If there are any hormonal issues like hypothyroidism, PCOD or any other medications which causes triggers hair to grow, means we can guess the number of sessions is highly individualized. Having a session, waiting for few months or few weeks until hair grow back, then have a session. There are so many lasers for hair reduction, but approved laser is 808 diode laser is approved for permanent hair reduction. Today, so like how we do it? So it's a very simple and very effective and safe procedure. There is no procedure without complications, but with experienced doctor, with experienced staff, we can minimize the complications and we can also handle the complications if there are any complications post procedure. Here we simply trim the hair, then apply the electrode gel and pass on the energies. We will note down the energies depending upon improvement, depending upon hair growth, then we can schedule the session. If there is hair growth only, we have to plan for a session. If there is no hair growth, that is the end point of treatment. Before laser, client shouldn't trim the hair, shouldn't bleach the hair, shouldn't get tan. The client get tan with the bleach hair, laser won't work. And laser hair reduction, it's like many skin types, there are 6 skin types, many skin types it's eligible, but very rarely few skin types are not eligible. Skin with a viral infection, warts or bleached hair or grey hair, pregnant and feeding mothers, they are absolutely contraindicated for having the sessions. Today I am going to demonstrate how we do permanent hair reduction with the diode laser. This is how we prepare the skin before laser hair reduction. We mark the skin which in area to be treated. Today I am going to demonstrate laser reduction on forearm. With disposable razor, we prepare the hair by gently removing in the angle of the hair. And to make the process absolute painless, we apply electrode gel before giving laser shots. Diode laser, we pass 50 degrees temperature into the hair, and the medium of laser will be the skin. So we shouldn't burn the skin in making the hair thin. That's the reason this electrode gel will helping the process smooth and efficient. About to start laser hair reduction with diode laser. This is called smooth pulse mode. Smooth pulse mode means hair reduction for large surface hair of the body, like the hands, legs, trunk, front of chest, like that. After applying the gel, first we will numb the skin with a coolant, inbuilt coolant for this laser, so the skin won't get irritated. Meanwhile, while laser is passing into the skin, numb the skin, gently cool the skin, then we will pass on the energy. Client can feel the heat, but it's not so unbearable heat will be there. It's only bearable heat. As simple as like this. 50 degrees energy is passing into the hair. The black cells present in the hair will take up this energy and they start reacting to this heat. In this process, they start becoming thin permanently. Once in 6 to 10 weeks, when there is hair growth, client will ask the client to have a session. Maintenance will be simple with only one sunscreen and avoiding direct sunlight for 2 to 3 days. There will no downtime and there is no resting period post session. So, permanent hair reduction is a solution for visible jet black thick hair. Instead of going for waxing, threading or epilators which are painful, which are short term, laser will give you permanent and lifelong results. So, finishing will be asking the clients to use one 50 SPF broad spectrum sunscreen twice in a day for 2 to 3 days. After that, once in a day between 10 to 12 will be sufficient, and full cloth protection between 10 to 3 is advisable. They can carry on the routine work. There is absolutely no downtime.